or 5 games left in the competition. How do we get to number 2? How do we try and get to second on the ladder? And the Drua, well, they're inside the 8. How far can they climb in the next couple of weeks?
And one of the most important players, if they're going to have some points in them, is Taniela Lakuro. So impressive with ball in hand, dangerous one-on-one when those opportunities are given to him. He can tear any backline, any defensive structure apart. He gets fractured ball. If the Brumbies kick loosely to him, watch out.
Let's go, Brumbies. Yep.
Second opportunity now for Alan Alatoa, the skipper, to bring his side out. Watching them in the warm-up. Really slick in the warm-up, led by Ben Mullen, the assistant coach, and also Stephen Larkin, their coach. Another important match for Nola Seal. At fly half, he's been really impressive throughout this competition. Andy Muirhead.
Those blocks here at GIO Stadium. Drua, massive last week for the Brumbies. They're going to repeat that effort tonight. Okay, we are moving in Canberra. As Fiji send the kick-off. I'll try again with a rolling ball. McInerney takes it back and centers the attack. McInerney taking his time. They get a good shot on him. McInerney. Oh, drilled. Well done initially by the Drua there. Tua standing strong in the tackle. Goddard. Brown. This excellent defence from the visitors for the moment. Scott! Goddard. They keep banging it down the right. And Ikitow can't be stopped.
It was quick ball. Watch the work in the replay of Harrison Goddard, how quickly he's getting to the breakdown, getting his hands in.
No wonder we couldn't spot you under the Stan Sport Channel 9 brolly. Rubbertail Munda. Oh, it's going to come down here for the Brumbies. There for the try scorer. Ikitow, who rolls it up towards the 22. Goddard, wide little seal, will hit the crossfield kick, looking for Muirhead. Muirhead had to go. Tool loomed up on the inside, still there for the Brumbies. One away now. I'll need a release here.
Let it come.
Fiji, and that's what they do. Valentini, Brown, good hands. Try Brumbies. Alatoa. It is. Alatoa, the captain, slides one in. So the 2 men. Oh, James Slipper heard the call. So too did Frost. They're putting all sorts of pressure on Matawalu. It'll come back for Fiji.
Okay, use it, please, 10.
Well, there's only one more to go, isn't it?
No, that's it. Madrid's the that's like the
final type. Yeah.
It's the finale. It's too hard to explain, but it's in Madrid. And in Canberra, it is the Drua. Brown at the front with a take. Ready grab for Jerome Brown. McInerney working it hard up the field. They need to send it inwards, and they do now. They've taken it 20-odd metres. Where's that ball, though? Can they slip it back? Goddard looking for it.
Okay, right, I'll use it now, 9.
Here it is for the Brumbies. Tua runs a kick in behind. Oh! Ikitow! With the silky hands down low, now has 2.
Oh, the centre combination of Tua and Ikitow.
The Canavera, that's a nice throw. And his forward pack join in and look to roll one over here. They're getting close to the line now. They straighten, and surely it's a score for the Drua. And Berry says held up. frost underneath.
Yeah, okay. I think we should check it, though. All right. Lek, I want to come to you.
Yeah, go ahead, mate.
Mate, on-field decisions, no try. I believe that blue player's been held up. Could you just check that for me?
Checking for held up.
Sure.
To try.
Yeah, can you see
He got try.
I got try.
That's our ball, yeah.
It's a try.
I just think, see, Nick
It's
Berry's
gone
on
up,
the,
it's
Nick
gone up,
Berry's
no
on the
try.
other side. He's on the other side. He couldn't see it.
I
and
have
then the arm
grounding,
went
so I'd
under.
like to just go back to the start of the maul.
Oh, you've got a grounding.
Yes, I have a grounding.
Just give me 1 second.
We're going to check if it's a legal maul setup.
Nick Berry's just unsided.
So,
We're just going to start at the line out. I haven't ruled it out yet or in, so we're watching this together, please.
It's a back lifter.
I'm happy with blue. No, three was legal and he's always remained. He was always kept his bind there. Okay, and then we've got a grounding.
Yes, correct.
Okay, so the try stands.
Correct.
Okay, thank you. Back on me, Lek. It's a try, boys.
Well, they are back in the contest thanks to Nasilasua and a terrific rolling ball right on half-time.
Oh, didn't they need that? They needed something out of this first half. If you can go in 21-8 or 21-10, rolling more, and they just shifted through the middle and a couple of Brumbies players just sheared off. And Silasila did a really good job to get across the try line and get the ball down. Try awarded right on half-time.
Well, it's an interesting exchange. Yes, they needed it. Yes, they deserved it. The Brumbies probably thought they had the last say with theirs before half-time, and the Drua right back into this game. Interesting exchange with the referees. Back lifter looked to slide in front. James Leckie was trying to push that to Nick Berry. Once he had a grounding, he was happy.
Now from Ravula, that's a beautiful hit from right out. And it's 21-10 at half-time in Canberra. Brumbies getting home by just 15 here in the nation's capital. Alrighty, here we go again. Lolosio seeing the restart down towards Marawalu. He sends it up to right. Right. By wall the blue jerseys, and they blow straight past him. And again, the Brumbies discipline.
At international level, great to see him do well.
The score here would make things interesting, that's for sure. And their scrum has been awesome tonight. They've got a penalty advantage. Marawalu will score. The Drua are making some noise here against the Brumbies.
Well, that's brought the crowd into this match now. Tried right on half-time, a try 5 minutes into the second half for Fijian Drua. They've clawed their way back into this match. Matawalu, he just scoots to the right. The ball came out a bit quicker. He steps inside Noel Olasuo. Does he get the ball down? I don't know. I reckon he might have lost the ball over the try line here. Matawalu
Here's the angle.
tries to reach out.
What's going on, staying straight?
I don't know.
Put it back on there, mate.
Yeah, no try.
No, it's right, we'll come back to the penalty. Okay, so it's going to be a no try, guys. It's a knock on. They'll play
For Kuravoli.
Stay there, White. Stay White.
Kuravoli just goes run off the Canavere.
No, they're
The
over.
Brumbies counter. They lose their feet there. It's another penalty. And surely Vella's gone.
Off your feet, playing the ball on the ground.
This has been 10 minutes of absolute dominance.
Crouch. Bind. Set.
So they've got a one-man advantage for the next 10. Look at the scrum go. Automatic penalty advantage here for the Drua. They get it away, and now they nail it down through Kuravoli.
Oh, it had to come, didn't it? Outstanding first 11 minutes of the second half from the Drua.
Floats this one to Swain. To muscle it over. Heading towards that touchline. Bowen taking his time. The debutant at the bat. Lonergan having a look now. He sends it away. For Tua. Reimer with a pick and go. Reimer will get over and now send it back. Right onto the jaw. And Reimer has made some impact off the bench. 2 key steals are now to try that puts them further in front. Seal draws that kick back through. Picked off now, so finally some possession going back in the direction of the home side. Reimer, was that one ripped out? It's okay. Excellent from the Drua. Through this penalty goal option, Morgs. 28-17, it'll be 28-20 because he's been hitting them so well tonight. Pulls the shutters down and says, fellas, that'll do us. Luke Reimer, the difference in the end off the bench for the Brumbies. And they keep their unbeaten run against the Drua intact. Too good tonight. 28-20 full time.